Hey guys, Shobhan here from Popsuite. Today we are going to see how you can integrate Popsuite with your Mailchimp account. If you are using Mailchimp to collect email IDs, send broadcast emails, then this video will be helpful for you. Let's see how it's done. After logging into your dashboard, go to the integration tab, which is on the right bottom corner, and you have to connect Mailchimp. To connect Mailchimp, you need a API key from your Mailchimp account. So go to the Mailchimp dashboard and go to the bottom and select your account and go to accounts and billing section. And from there, you can go to the extras and go to API keys. As you can see, we already have created an API key for Popsuite. You can also similarly create an API key from here and copy the API key and paste it paste it here and click save. So you have successfully connected Mailchimp. Now let's see how you can select a particular email list to save your email IDs which you have been collecting from Video Public Widget. Let's say I'm collecting a collecting an email ID from a customer and wanted to save it in a particular email list of my Mailchimp account. You might have a lot of email audiences. So you want to get a particular email ID from a particular email list. So as you can see, I have an audience list called Teaser Digital. So to do this, you need a audience ID, which will be very unique for each and every audience that you have been creating in Mailchimp account. To find that unique ID, go to your audience dashboard, click all contacts, and under that you can see audience name and defaults under settings. Click that, and here you can see the audience ID, right? So click that, copy the audience ID, go to the widget dashboard and choose the widget which you are using to collect email IDs. Currently, I am using this widget to collect the email IDs from our website. So scroll down to this widget and paste it right here under the auto respond integration Mailchimp audience ID. And don't forget to update the widget. Let's see if it's working or not. So this is the website which I'm currently using, giving my name as getopsuite.com. Sign up now. Thank you for registering. Now let's see whether it worked or not. Refresh the page, wait for a couple of minutes. Here it is. So we have successfully collected the email IDs from a particular email widget to a particular audience list of the Mailchimp. As you can see, Arjun get which we gave. So this is how you have to connect a particular email list to your particular email widget. And one thing that I also have to say is, while collecting an email list, you might collect only email, just one business email. In case if you're not collecting first name, for example, if you're not collecting a first name, you have to make sure all these input variables are set up properly. In case if it is not set up properly, you have to double check, set it again, otherwise the integration won't work. In case if you need any help, contact us. Thank you.